guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Jill Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. At kung nakita nyo ang aking intro kanina, yon ay last 2018 na trick or treat event na nangyari dito, malapit lang sa area namin. And of course, my kids are very happy to be able to attend that event nung 2018. Syempre, look at them, naka-outfit sila, tapos meron pa silang naka-makeup sila ng pang-Halloween. So, enjoy na enjoy sila. Plus, meron pa silang mga take-home na mga candies na nakuha nila. At meron din mga photo booth. So, that was 2018. Pero nung 2019, dito lang kami sa bahay kasi I was pregnant and almost about to give birth during that time. Kaya ang ginawa ko kay Saraya, my youngest, that time, eto. Yan. So, yan yung ginawa ko sa kanya para naman ma-enjoy niya at ma-feel niya kasi pinipilitin niya akong gawan siya ng makeup look. So, yung mga times na yun, puro makeup yung ginagamit ko. At this time, dahil pandemic, nasa bahay tayo, gusto kong i-try, i-explore ang face paint. Kung okay ba siyang gamitin para sa aking mga kids. Although I know na hindi ako face paint artist, but still I wanted to give it a try kasi mukhang exciting siya at talagang mas marami kang looks na magagawa. So, kayo din mga momshies and beshies, pwede nyo gawin to sa kids nyo this Halloween season. Even if hindi tayo makakalabas sa mga kids natin, no, siguro wala masyadong mga trick or treat na mga big events like katulad nung nangyari previous years. So, ngayon sa bahay lang, but we can make this event very fun-filled for them. Yan. So, ang mga kids ko, nag-enjoy sila sa Halloween face paint na ginawa ko sa kanila kasi halos ayaw nilang tanggalin kahit na malapit na silang pumasok sa online class nila. So, buti na lang, Facebook Messenger lang muna sa teacher. At ang ginamit kong product na face paint ay nabili ko lang through Shopee. At so far, okay naman, hindi naman sila nagka-allergies or yung mga kati-kati sa face. And then, at yung texture niya, yung mixture niya, okay din naman. I will also have a different vlog for this, so watch out for it. Kung paano, kung ano yung itsura niya, at kung okay ba yung mga colors na meron doon. So guys, ang daming kwento, pero ready na ba kayo? So kung ready na kayo, please subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell para updated ka sa mga next vlogs na darating. At alam nyo ba, you have to watch this until the end kasi merong isang bata na natakot sa Halloween look nila. So you have to find out and comment down below kung malaman mo kung sino yung batang ito. So without further ado, let's watch this video and learn how I did this Halloween face paint with my kids. So first, I used the thinnest brush and the black paint to outline, to make an outline for the eyes, yung sa outer. And so that I have a guide when I color the white part and the black part. And also for the nose part. And then I tried using the sponge, pero mukhang mas maganda yung flat brush nila look. It is more pigmented when you use the paint brush. So, I am following the line. Okay lang if we make some mistakes. It doesn't have to be really perfect. And then, ito yung first layer. I also layered it the second time para mas thicker siya. Yan, para makover talaga niya yung skin. And then, pinat ko siya with the Johnson's Baby Powder para lang hindi masyadong sticky sa akin. And then, I use the black color using the flat brush again. So, kailangan muna siyang linisin para hindi mag-mix yung white and black. And now for the nose, I used a smaller flat brush. Yan. So, yung nabili ko, it also has brushes included. So, napakaganda talaga niya. Lahat ng kailangan ko andun na. Yan. So, thinner brush for the sides of the mouth and also for outlining. Yan. So, thin flat brush yan. And then using the round small brush, I put the red dots, the 4 colored red dots sa face niya, like that. I'm just using 3 colors here, black, red, and white. And that's how I did it for the neck part. So black muna sa both sides and then white in the inner, in the middle, and then may mga lines na black para sa skeleton, sa bones. And we are done. Para sa white lang. You're scared of Alexa?
Maybe. Maybe she don't know who is Chickix.
Yes. So I started with the nose and the mouth, outlining it with the black ink. So if you are a beginner like me in face painting, it doesn't have to be really perfect kasi madali naman siyang ma-erase at pwede mo pa siyang patungan ulit. Yan, parang outline pa lang siya. Yung outline of the teeth, yan, zigzag lang. So, madali lang siya. Tapos, yung white niya, just use the smaller flat brush para hindi lumampas dun sa mga lines na ginawa mo. Sa ginawa ko pala. So next is I am outlining the eye shape and then filling it with a white paint, tapos black color for the eyeball. So pag naka-close yung eyes niya, doon nakikita yung eyes ng cat. And then nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting blush dahil siya ay isang Cheshire cat. Yan. And this is now the kilay with the cat's bushy brows. So, purple talaga yung color niya ng cat na ito. Tapos yan, konting highlight under eyes and we are done. So, this last one, ito yung pinakamabilis kong nagawa. You just cover the face white. And then, maglagay ng fake na kilay na color purple. And then, sa under eye, lagyan lang ng line. And then, parang spread lang natin yung purple shade para may konting effect. And then, konting design on the side, parang legs ng spider siguro to. Tapos, kinolor ko na rin yung lips niya. Actually, dapat mas thinner yung lips na gagawin ko, kaya lang sumobra. And then, the spider web, akala ko mahirap siyang gawin. Yan lang, straight lines. Tapos, lagyan natin ng, yan, yung web dyan. And we're done! So guys, nalaman nyo na kung sino yung bata o baby na umiyak na yon, na natakot sa Halloween look nila. So if you know the answer, please comment down below. At gusto ko magbigay ng shoutout sa mga Filipina beauty sisters na momshies na katulad ko, si Mommy Mean, Camille DC, and Ana Paloma. Please visit their channel and subscribe to their channel. Watch their videos. May mga makeup tutorials, mga makeup hauls na matutunan nyo, malalaman nyo sa mga vlogs nila. Shoutout din sa aking dear friends Mel Legaspi at Maria Luisa Hernandez. Thank you for always watching my videos. So, I know na malapit na yung Halloween. I hope that you will enjoy your Halloween with your kids and the family at home. Pwede namang mag-online Zoom. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!